Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's YouTube channel. Today,
Me too.
me and my brother and my friend Dad are gonna be making gluten-free buttermilk pancakes waffle mix.
Okay. And me.
And Grayson, who just likes to put band-aids on his forehead.
Okay, so what's the first ingredient?
First ingredient is
3/4 cup.
3/4 cup gluten-free pancake mix.
Yep.
Okay, that's what I need those, I think.
That's half.
I have one.
No, don't touch.
Touch.
That's hot. And Dad's gonna be helping us to. I'm sorry, my brother's pushing it away right now.
Alright, what's the next ingredient?
The next ingredient is 1 egg.
Alright, give me an egg.
Okay.
Oh!
Oops. So can you move? Oh, Dad, that's in front of the screen. Wait, yeah. Okay. Looking for eggs. Eggs. Oh, wait, Dad, we need to show them what it looks like.
What the eggs look like?
No, I mean no. What the? This is the whole bag that we're using.
Daddy.
Want me to help you get an egg?
Hang on, I need to shut this thing off.
Touch.
It's hot, don't touch.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
And you need 1 egg to make this. Put the egg there. For now. Open the thing.
Daddy.
Wait, Daddy, hang
While
on.
you're getting the egg, I'm gonna move on to the next part of the
Wait,
recipe.
Daddy, wait.
2 tablespoons of butter melted.
Wait, Daddy, wait.
What?
I already got the egg.
Okay.
Here's the egg.
Alright, crack it in there. Make sure no shell gets in there.
I'm
You want me to do that for you?
Yeah, I'm not that good at cracking and I don't like the glue getting all over my hands.
The goo?
And Grayson screams a lot, so. Safe! And who wants this very ticklish in the belly?
Alright, no playing by the stove.
Okay.
Ow, this hit me in the belly. No, Grayson, no, don't use that. It's okay, Grayson.
Alright, what's the last ingredient?
The last ingredient is cookie oil spray.
Cooking oil spray.
Daddy.
Alright,
No.
go ahead and spray some of this in the pan. Make sure it's evenly coated.
Daddy.
That's good.
Me too.
Melted butter.
Grayson, no, this can only be used once. Is that good? How long do we need to wait?
1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water.
Okay. I'll grab the water. Grayson,
I
don't
got it
touch
right here.
Dad, can I pour the water? Never mind. Dad will pour the water.
Grab a spoon.
Okay, grab your spoon. Grab the spoon.
Help. Daddy.
Daddy, can I store it?
Okay, it's very hot, so let's do it right here.
Wait, we can both do it. Okay.
Alright, mix it up. You guys can take turns.
I'll go
You're on
first, and
video.
my brother will go second. And my brother also needs some help from my dad. Grayson, I'm almost done. I just need to get all of the lumps out for you.
help? Grayson's turn.
There.
All right, Grayson, mix.
Cutting.
Dad, what is happening to the oils?
Nothing. Need some help, Grayson? Okay.
My brother just needed a little help. Grayson's also really sensitive. We're going to touch him.
No.
See? He's really sensitive. He's also really good at heading, so don't touch him.
Okay.
Okay, Grayson's ready. Grayson, can I sit up here with you?
No.
Ready?
No, Mom.
And it says a quarter cup.
Can I try? I'm gonna have to try these. And also, we're gonna make some toast.
Toast?
Yeah. I only just have mentioned that now. I feel like I shouldn't have done that.
Okay. And then once they're cooked, we'll be back.